you will never live up to the expectation that you've got on yourself. And so quit all the pride. And I know you're hiding behind the pride by trying to be humble. You know, no, I'll let other people say, I'll let other people step up, I'll let other people have a voice. I don't really have anything to say right now, and it's false humility. You've got something to say, but you're too prideful to say it.
So what do we have going on here?
The Epson projector that we just got a month ago putzed out. And so they're sending us they sent us a brand new one. So we're just putting it back up. But it's kind of awkward. So the good thing was they gave it to us for free and the next day shipped it. I was gonna send them back the old one. No reason why, just like, it just died.
Cool. Just Nick Loco.
Came in for a meeting. Are we good?
Yeah.
Oh. I am not jacked. Yo.
What up?
Got the new one.
Got the new one.
I'm not used to that hair. Every time you walk in, I'm like,
Who's
where'd
this
your
handsome
hair
guy?
go?
I need to shave this.
Why?
No, keep
Haley likes it.
Haley likes
Well,
it?
Lacey likes it.
Keep the
Hey,
beard.
Lacey does not like it.
Yeah, she does. She just wants to clean it up, which I do too. I need to clean it up.
Get a little
I
trimmy.
want to clean it up.
It's not just because you can't grow it. Feel like that feeling? Feel that. This is what you want right there.
Oh, that feeling. Actually, I don't like that feeling.
No. All
It
night
reminds
in
me of
bed,
like
I'm
a-
like sleeping, and my wife was just like.
Reminds me of petting a dog. Like that short
know.
hair. Like you ever had a dog with short, like, hair?
So the client that you just met with, you just met with, that just kind of stopped by. You
Yeah.
said they bought a canvas.
Yeah, they did a
pretty awesome.
medium-sized canvas here, which was pretty sweet.
So
They,
you just do-
they upgraded their album.
We do small, medium, and large. And then do they
Which-
frame it?
Yeah. Oh, okay, it came with it. So we do if they do it before the wedding, up to 1 month prior, the framing and installation comes for free.
Do you think we
Which
would
is
sell
a-
more if we named them Tall, Grandy, and Venti?
Yeah. We were gonna do small, medium, and bueno.
Bueno.
Which is good, right?
Right.
Just good.
Better good. Oh yeah, I met with them.
She booked the. Did
Sweet.
you know she was booking?
No,
Huh.
I haven't heard back. I tried calling her yesterday.
Booked a bride.
That was they came from Natasha. From the yeah, they came
You
from
guys, check this out.
This is
The estates shoot that we did, that style shoot,
Natasha, the
when we met
planner.
the Natasha planner, state shoot. She just booked us away.
Nice.
We should call her.
We're gonna go do a little riding in the parking lot. Burn off some calories before we eat them all. Hey, asphalt. Well, I don't like that this is all blacktop. Blacktop is really tricky. It's just gonna slip out from under us a lot more. First time I've done that move in like 4 years. Thanks, Michael. Appreciate the push.
Yeah.
Let's go. Throw these in the bushes and come back for him?
We can.
Dude, only anybody's getting it. Riding's been too treacherous, and we dare not do it with food in hand. I was also thinking about it. Remember how you asked me about like morning routine shenanigans? We need to redo that. Only because I don't have one. Like, and I need to get on. Like, I have cycles of when I've been on one. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I have instances. But I would much rather
just recognize that right now my current morning routine is complete bullshit, and I need one. I was thinking all that. I was like, I just told him things I used to do at some point in my life when things were easier. The other thing I need to do too, at the end of the last podcast, I said you don't want that enough if you're struggling, you're not making time, and I think the same thing's true of me. Like, I think I'd be making more time, I'd have a better morning routine, I'd be getting up earlier, I'd be staying up later, and I'm too comfortable right now. And it was an interesting insight for myself to say that and then just swallow my own words and internalize it and be like, am I doing what I just said? To a degree, but not to the degree that I'm capable of. You know? It's pretty dark. Here, you just have to watch it. That's it. One of them's just entertaining the other. I just think it's awesome. I'm pretty sure that my personality got split between the two. Like, Colton has all of my like ambition and like grit and scrappiness, and so like he's so outgoing, incredibly outgoing. So super social, super outgoing, really kind of intense kid. And then Alex is like all softness and sensitivity, and he's very concerned about other people. He's very emotional. He is like this huge smile, but he's also very like, he just kind of holds back a little bit, very reserved. Like, he's all empathy. They just got split, man. It's like I separated myself. At least currently. They're only a year. They've got some time to grow. Right. Shit, I got time to grow. Guys, just put out a video on IGTV. Don't be so prideful. Just put it out. Make the content. Nobody cares. All these people don't care what I'm doing in that restaurant. They're talking, but nobody cares. So I know you've got a vision of who you think you need to be, or what you think you need to do, or what you think that content needs to look like, and it doesn't need to look like that. You will never live up to the expectation that you've got on yourself. And so quit all the pride. And I know you're hiding behind the pride by trying to be humble. You know, no, I'll let other people say, I'll let other people step up, I'll let other people have a voice. I don't really have anything to say right now, and it's false humility. You've got something to say, but you're too prideful to say it. So put out that piece of content, release that video, talk to that guy, right? Just do it. And here's the thing. Let's keep going, Michael. You are comparing your day 1 to my year 4, or to somebody else's year 3, or to somebody else's month 1, but it's your day 1. So just put it out. You guys, go back and watch my very first live video, Six Figure Live, episode 1.
It was bad, you guys.
It was bad.
It was bad.
It was bad, but it was the best thing that I could have done. It was the best thing. Go do it.